How to change brightness of your phone flashlight. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to change the brightness of your phone's flashlight. Phones nowadays come with a dynamic flashlight where you are able to change its brightness. So let me just show you guys how you can do it. First thing first, you need to swipe down on your notification panel to access your torch. Go ahead and tap on torch and it's going to turn on the torch on the back of your phone. Now to actually access its brightness, what you can do is long press on it and you can find the brightness option right here. If you move it down, it's going to decrease the brightness, and if you move it up, it's going to increase the brightness. But if you increase it, what happens is the camera light may cause a low temperature burns when it's in prolonged contact with your skin. So you should avoid leaving torch turned on for an extended period of time, or else it's going to burn your skin. Let's just go ahead and adjust this. And if you want to turn it off, you can just tap on the toggle here to turn it off, and you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can easily change the brightness of your torch. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.